Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? All right, man, so in this video I am going to be fixing my exhaust. So this is the pipe. So right here, that's my cat. It comes all the way down. There's that pipe that I used from the other side. It goes all the way down to right here. I got a connector and I got a little muffler. And that pipe that I have on the tailgate, it goes on to the other side of the muffler. It goes all the way down, and that tip that I got is going to bring it to right here. And I have an exhaust tip that sticks out. So this is a 45. This is just a regular 2-inch flex pipe. Here's a stock exhaust that I cut from the other side. Both sides of my exhaust actually match this right here with the flex pipe and the 45. When I left the inspection station, they actually messed with my exhaust, and this whole piece right here fell off and it got ran over. So I had to get this whole piece right here. I was gonna get some header wrap and wrap my exhaust with it, but I found out that aluminum foil actually has a heating point up to like. So I was just gonna wrap my whole entire exhaust in aluminum foil. All right guys, almost $16 later, and we got all the clamps that we need for all the connector pieces. All right guys, last night I measured the exhaust from the end of the clamp all the way to the end of there. Pretty clean cut. Yeah. All right, you guys, so after I got this piece cut off of my exhaust, I went ahead and used a 36 grit flappy disc on a angle grinder, a freaking wire wheel, and a palm sander to clean up the exhaust. And then I wrapped it with aluminum foil, and then I went to Harbor Freight finally, and then I got this stuff right here. It was like $7. It's flame resistant aluminum foil tape, so yeah, hopefully it actually works. So then I just went ahead and wrapped my exhaust with that aluminum foil flame resistant tape and squeezed it all together. So I still have to do, move boy, move. I still have to do this right here, and I'm waiting to do that for when I actually get the exhaust bolted back up to the truck. Once I get this positioned how I want, then I will wrap this in aluminum foil and that aluminum foil tape. So yeah, this is like the most important section right here because it's right by the gas tank. Yo, what up guys? All right, man, we got a fatality. We got a fatality, dude. We got a fuel pump for the truck. So, damn, that's hard. So if you guys didn't watch the last video, definitely go check it out. I spent like 2.5, 3 hours at the junkyard. I got 2 fuel pumps, spare tire holder, and I got a LED third brake light for my truck. And the dude literally tried to charge me $158 for all that. Each fuel pump is $38. They charged me $47 and I think 84 cents for a used fuel pump. O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and Advanced Autos have this exact fuel pump for $47 brand new. It's the tiny one too, and it doesn't come with the wire harness like it says it does. So technically all I had to do was just buy this wire harness right here and go and buy a brand new $47 fuel pump. I don't know, man. I guess I just wasn't thinking about to throw the exhaust back on. The exhaust is done. It is all ran underneath. It's not hooked up right here, but it does fit in. Here's the muffler, and right in here it's not hooked up. For some reason the connectors I had, they did fit, but now they don't. And since I cut the pipe, I think I might have cut it a little bit too short, but this is how I want it. Go to an exhaust shop and have everything welded up, and then the exhaust will be completely done. Now that is more like it, son. All the way up to my nip tiles. All right, man. Got the tire put on. I just have to put this back on here. I got other spikes for the other 2 wheels, but for right now. Yeah, look at that, dude. That thing got flattened, son. So I'm gonna show you guys how bad my ball joints are. Look at that. That is just horrible. White walls on the Chevy, baby. Alright guys, so this is the fuel pump that actually came with my truck. As you can tell, someone put a brand new one in. Okay, so this is the brand new, I think, I don't know, but I bought a brand new fuel pump for this truck and it didn't work. And then I bought another one from Amazon and it was like so weak that it wouldn't even produce enough pressure. So I had a Kimso that came with all this stuff right here, and that's what I got in the tank now, and it actually has enough fuel pressure to try to start the truck, but not a whole lot. So the idealio is I'm gonna take the fuel pump that's in the truck now, take it out, and then the float I'm gonna depin it from here, and then I'm gonna plug that wire into here because this is actually soldered on to the float, and it's kind of crazy because that's an exposed wire in a gas tank. I don't know. It's crazy how it works, but yeah, this is the float. It tells you how much gas you got. Ooh wee! Look at that wetness, baby. It's a wet tire. So this, I'm assuming, is the original fuel pump because how old it looks and all that stuff, but it's got a tiny wire harness. Now the doctor has to go to work. So we got a Kimso Fuel Systems 1380 and then 2. So yeah, it works, but it's also pretty weak. So I need to put that sock on here, and then I need to remove that. I'll just do it. I gotta remove the blue pin from this and that, and then plug that one into this, and yeah, science crap. If it ain't one thing, it's another. This is the fuel pump I got from the junkyard, and this piece here broke off the side of here, so now I'm screwed because that doesn't have enough bite onto it to suck anything up. Alright guys, we're back up here at the junkyard. I need to get another fuel pump, so came all the way over here and I was like, this is gonna suck because how rusty it is, but that gas strap is already broke, so I should only have to just take out one strap and that's it. But I don't think anybody's bought any of this lift kit, so only thing I would really need is steel braided brake lines on both sides, this and that, and obviously the front part of the lift, that piece in there. And I don't know, why is there 2 bars? That's weird. But yeah, somebody did take something from the rear. Not too much though. Anyway, here's that crew cab. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to take this damn gas tank out. Hopefully it's not too much of a freaking big deal, and hopefully it's got the same fuel pump that I need. Alright, hang on guys. Here's something I haven't seen before. This thing has one of these on it. That's crazy. But anyway, someone had bent this bolt, so this is all you gotta do. You just gotta bend it until it snaps off, and then find the right size socket to take that off. Shout out to the rust, because that didn't take long at all, especially with an extendo. Alright, it's just tied up on all that, but should just be able to pull this thing down. Somehow I might have to take the screws out of here. Maybe. Damn, this is all busted up. Alright, I mean, damn. Really hope this fuel pump works. So, wasn't able to take it out the traditional way. So I had to pop it off, but had to use this. And, yeah. So, I want these. Right, yeah. I don't know how this comes apart. Just like that. Boom. And I don't need it. So yeah, that stuff really sucked. So somebody already removed the drive shaft. They actually damaged it, so I just pulled it out, laid it over there. The fuel pump was a bitch to get. All right, man. I just put my fucking phone right in water, dude. Anyway, I got everything I need. Came here just for this damn thing. Oh man, I had to pull it all out, son. All of it. Even the piece that holds it to the frame. Alright, man, I'm ready to go home.
If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Yeah. Should have put a ring on it, huh? Too late now.
Dude, this thing is so nice, bro. Look at that. Oh, the rain guard's flapping in the wind. I want to get a tonneau cover like that, man. I don't like mine. It's too heavy. That thing is nice, boy. I tell you what, boy. Boy, I tell you what. Alright, you guys, it has been Frankenstein, bro. So basically, all I did was just use one of the cables that I had. I think, I don't know. It was one of the new ones that I bought that had the small end or whatever, just like this. This is the one that came with the fuel pump that I got from the junkyard. And I just used one of the new cables. And I pulled the float wire out of this wire setup right there, and then I also pulled out the ground wire from this one because the one that I got from the junkyard was kind of bootied. So yeah, they're in their respectable places. Now the only thing I got to do is throw this in the gas tank and see if she works. So the whole sock situation, for some reason it didn't fit on here, and I actually had to shorten up this hose because what was it? It was too long. So when I put this in, it wouldn't fit in here, so I had to cut this much of it off. So plus it had a like a little slice in it right there anyway, so it's perfect. But got it in here, and yeah, it's ready to go back in. Alright, you guys, it is all done. I actually took some electronics duster and I sprayed around the fuel pump hole before I installed the fuel pump, and I got a lot of debris out of there. So I was actually able to get the fuel pump set in this time. Usually it was just sitting there loose, but now I got it set in there pretty tight. I got the ground hooked up, got this hooked up. I actually took a speaker wire and wrapped it around this connection down here, tied it so that way when I do the fuel pump, after I disconnect this right here, that wire is going to fall. It's the only thing I got to, that wire is going to fall. So all I have to do is just pull the speaker wire and boom. So this hose doesn't have a clamp on it, and I don't think it ever did really, but yeah, it's all hooked up. The only thing I got to do now is just put the battery in and see if she will start. All right, guys, it is time. I don't know if I can hear that fuel pump or not. But fuel sounded weird when I said that. Fuel pump. Prime the system. Couple of times. I did put the exhaust on. I doubt that it's really gonna quiet anything down. It might rattle and make this thing come off. I'm actually gonna put my things on. All right, here we go. Bullshit. It's gonna be some shit if that fuel pump don't work. Let me take these things off, dude. Damn. It's always something, dude. I think it's still a fuel issue. Shit. Man, I paid $47 for that freaking fuel pump at the junkyard, man. And I feel so ripped off because it literally cost $47 for a brand new fuel pump. And I've already had to swap that one out because it didn't, the first one that I got broke. So I had to go and spend like an hour pulling the freaking fuel tank out. Oh man, it just sucks, dude. This really sucks. When you think that you're close to getting something accomplished, and then it just, nope. Well, I played the video back, heard that we got fuel pumps working. Let's see if we got fuel pressure now. Oh, brother. I don't know. I don't know. That's a weak ass flow. So, fuel pump works, but there's something going on. Either, I mean, I doubt it could be this, but I might have the freaking fuel lines connected in the wrong slots. They are the same size, and once you take them both off, they freaking go into each other all freaking weird like. So yeah, it could be a possibility. I don't know. Maybe the fuel filter might be clogged up. I don't know, but y'all heard that yeah, still a fuel issue.